About DXY and how they affect other pairs. I stick to monthly time frame, and I will tell you my monthly time frame structure is very clean, and I find a very strong, joy in the structure. You look at it on a monthly time frame, you will see how price created a new high in 1984. That was the peak. Dollar went. DSY went to 160 when dollar was dollar. Not now. They have used all their money in doing something different. I will show you the depth of America, how much they owe, and maybe you will know if you are in America, you start to guide yourself properly and manage your money very well and invest wisely. I will show you the depth because of what is coming. A lot of people in America do not know what is coming, but I will tell you your country is indebted. So, and the system is run in transparency, and I'll tell you that's a high DXY went in 1984, 1983 region and all that. And the lowest DSY did was, which is also worthy of note. Let's see if we can spend minimal time. It has always been impossible to spend minimal time on charts. We are trying our best. So the key price action starts from here, which is very important in a monthly time frame, where you see a weak rejection here, price, or let's just not put it so that you will see it clearly. I don't want to cover it. It's for educational purpose. So you can see price create here a supply roof, break of a supply roof, retest one, retest two, break of a demand floor retest, and price came here to retest it as a retest candle as well as a supply zone. So that becomes your supply roof. And as well a retest candle after a break of structure on a monthly time frame. So I paid careful details to all the weeks. I made sure I picked the weeks because the weeks now become very important to me. So this is what what we see. So now on that structure now, price came back again to respect it, and shortly after that, we have seen price return to another area of strong demand. If you look on your line chart, you will see price create here a resistance structure, downswing, upswing, break of a resistance structure, returns here on demand, return here to affirm it, a descending trend line, break of a descending trend line demand structure, and price came back, retested it, and break of structure retested again, and you see that retest to a demand floor, making it a descending trend line, and there's break of structure, and subsequent retest followed in this year, and another retest, and a potential break of a supply roof returns price on demand. So if you see price buying there, it's not buying there based on assumption. It's buying there because of the structure of the market. It is structural. It is based on structure. Everything you see here is based on the structure of the market. It is not an assumption. And I keep switching line charts to normal bar charts for you to have clarity and understand the reason all those things have happened. So you see why market has bought at that zone. And if you switch back to our chart, you see the price action, very clean price action. I will have here series of supply roof where market has sent down price at the supply roof. That's your new supply roof. And let's get to our demand floor. So this is your demand floor. This is our demand floor. And we have a couple of retest candles, which are also break of structure. And we have a couple of change of characters, but I don't want to bring those things because they look a little bit complex and it's going to really send you a whole lot of confusing shockwave. So I don't want to employ it. I want to bring it to the system. While price setting up here, so supply roof, break of structure. Price came back here again, retested and break structure. Retested to a broken demand floor and price returns here on demand. So on technical, if dollar go moon, we expect here to be our sell zone where we look at for markets to respect this pattern and sentiment of the pair. So this is what we have on the monthly time frame. So you see what we have on technical right now is that dollar is strictly on demand, and we are not having any serious breakout at the moment. But I will use here as my litmus test. If you have a breakout from the structure, then I will want to look for an opportunity to sell. But at the moment, the market is on demand. You can see the structure, the trend angle is the same, and we're learning it and we continue to replicate it until we have a clear breakout structure. And until that happens, our bias remains bullish until we have a breakout from the structure. If we get a breakout from the structure, then my sentiment will definitely change. Where I will begin to look for an opportunity to sell down again, where I will buy from this level. And a breakout from this level will ultimately return price to below 100. And I don't think this is going to happen on that one at all. This will not be possible. If this happens, Sergio Donatello will lose his job. They will remove him. So he knows everybody wants to keep his job. So he will never let that happen. So if he wants to do this to American dollar, I'm sorry for his job. He will not do that. So I think US dollar will remain bullish. It will remain bullish. The rhetorics of our good president is America first. America. He says he's building a what to build a trust fund where you are owing over 30 something trillion. It's okay. We don't know where he's going to get money to build a trust fund. But the country is indebted trillions of dollars. I don't know how they want to settle that debt. But it's okay. It's okay. Let's leave it for them. Let's leave it for them. After all, our country is still owing. Let's leave it. But the country is heavily indebted. And American debt will soon skyrocket. It's going to burst. It's like a bubble. The debt is going to burst very soon. And I'll tell you, it's going to affect a whole lot of people. Debt and debt management is something that have expiring date, and when it comes crashing, and there is nothing you can do. So they must do everything possible to service their debt and reduce unnecessary foreign aid. You don't need all those unnecessary foreign aid and you being indebted. What's the point? What are you trying to prove? So the country is indebted. I hope the citizens wake up of the current debt that they are immersed in. So they need to be aware of that debt. Somebody need to educate them on it and also tell them the implication in the industry, the implication to them as a person, how it affects their common earning and as well their spending. So this is what we have for DXY, and I like this structure. I like this structure, and we're glad that within a short time we were able to get over it and close up the structure and make it something more important. So right now it's not clear that we are waiting for. You see, DXY will continue to shoot up the strong. I'm bullish on it. I'm heavily bullish on DXY. And when you look at the ascending trend line guiding price, so the worst that can happen in a corrective impulse, if we have a breakout from that popular demand structure, price will technically come down here. And if that happens, that'll be an opportunity to buy back. So if we have any breakthrough structure, we have price come back here and return back again, where it might have the impetus to continue to trade with the price in 2026. I'm very much bullish on DXY, very much bullish. So at the moment, price may see going there. But if we break out from this structure, then that will be returning DXY below $100 mark. And do I see that happening? I don't see that happening. If that happens, a lot of people in Federal Reserve are going to lose their job. They'll be jobless. I trust Mr. President. Who's going to make them jobless if they do that? If they do it, they're going to lose their job. They're going to lose their job. So they better know what to do to keep the DXY going. Keep the economy going strong. Do whatever it takes.